Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a collaborator on your Instagram post. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and create a new post by clicking at the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Then choose a photo or video or photos or videos that you want to share in your Instagram post. Once you're done selecting, just click next. And in this page, you may choose a filter for your post. And again, once you're satisfied, just click next. So to add a collaborator or collaborators on your Instagram post, just click Add People and Invite Collaborators. And then search for names or friends whom you want to invite as a collaborator. Once you're done, click Done. And feel free to further modify your post by adding caption. Let me just put an emoji, and then you may also add location and add music. And once you're satisfied, just click share at the top right corner of your screen. And that's it. After a while, your post will be uploaded, and then you will see at the bottom of the photo that you've shared that your friend was invited to be a collaborator. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!